Hi, my name is Troy Brown. I'm an attorney here at Metzger Wickersham, and I'm here to explain another quick, easy, and relatively cheap step that you can take today to ensure that your family is sufficiently protected in the event of an automobile accident. Today I would like you to review the first-party benefits portion of your automobile policy. These are benefits that are available to you from your own automobile insurance company, regardless of who's at fault for the accident. First area I want to look at are your medical benefits coverage. This is coverage that's intended to pay for the initial medical bills for your accident-related treatment. In Pennsylvania, there's a state minimum requirement that every automobile policy carry at least $5,000 worth of medical benefits. However, you can purchase additional coverage above that $5,000 minimum. When you factor in ambulance bills, emergency room bills, x-rays, MRIs, CAT scans, physical therapy, etc., $5,000 may not be sufficient to cover your accident-related treatment. Another optional coverage that's not required in Pennsylvania but is available for purchase is extraordinary medical benefits. This is a type of coverage that's intended to cover accident-related medical bills exceeding $100,000. And this could be crucial in the event that you're seriously injured in an accident and require extensive treatment, such as multiple surgeries, an extended hospital stay, or an extended stay at a rehab facility. However, it's important to keep in mind that if you do opt to purchase this coverage, that you watch for any gaps in coverage. Like I said, this coverage doesn't kick in until your medical bills exceed $100,000. To make sure you don't have any gaps in coverage, it's recommended that you purchase medical benefits of at least $100,000. That way there's no gap in coverage. For instance, if you only purchase a state minimum $5,000 in medical benefits, you would have a $95,000 gap in coverage before your extraordinary medical benefits would kick in. Another optional coverage that's available for purchase is income loss coverage. This is coverage that is intended to cover a portion of your wage loss that you incur as a result of an accident. It doesn't cover 100% of your wage loss. However, it does provide for payments as you're incurring your loss. This is important because even if you're able to eventually reach a settlement with the at-fault driver, or you get a verdict at trial or arbitration, typically speaking, the other party's insurance company only wants to pay out one time, meaning that it's going to be a one lump sum payment that's going to include everything from your wage loss to any outstanding bills and to your pain and suffering. The issue with that is typically this can take months to years to actually come to fruition. And that's why having this optional coverage available to you is beneficial, because most people can't afford to go months or years without any sort of income. And it's also important to keep in mind that even though this only covers a portion, you can always try to recover the excess that you missed out on from the at-fault driver in that eventual settlement or verdict at trial or arbitration. A couple other areas that you may want to think about that are available to purchase are accidental death and funeral benefits as well. Review your policy, see if you have any of these coverages available. If not, and you think that they may be helpful to your family, call your insurance company and have them add them onto your policy to make sure that your family is sufficiently protected in the event of an accident.